it's stupid. Oh, wow. What is it over here? No, but it's over there. Whoa. Oh, blue. Let's go. Blue. It's slippery. Boom, boom, boom. Big neighborhood thing. Wait, can I do some jukes in here? Can I go to the top? I made it. Let's go. Looks like there's gonna be a blow up. Canopy News. There has been a new creator update. Yeah. What the frick? Yeah, I'm going to the pub, bro. Surprised I'm gonna go frost. No one did. Whoa, no bundle.
Whoever mining. Anybody wants to go mining? I might give them a giveaway. I go mining. I'm already.
Oh. Is it all?
Yo. Where's that guy that wanted to go? I'm already at the bottom of mines. I'm
Canopy. They have their own little house. They added this little house.
We're gonna go scan a skeleton? Wait, can I come? Okay.
This looks oddly.
I'm in meet at late. Planet place.
That's Kaisen's house.